To subscribe is free.
Welcome to Dawson's Diner, located at Landale Mean Road, right across from the new calling center teleperformance. The telephone number to contact us is 284-8464 or 857-2289.
To subscribe yet.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, yeah, I see you. This may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you, I just hope you will accept. I think God created you for me. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind.
You don't eat.
I'm on my belly kind of full of this, so I just cover up this smell, please.
Alright.
You know, so that's why I have to rate it though, because I do my lifestyle and I feel live. I just feel comfortable around it.
I will carry it. I will come and get continue.
Alright, come. See, you know, easy, you know. Yeah, my little slimmers, you know. As I mean, I do my lifestyle and I like to live because you take care of me so good. You understand? And that's why I fight for the relationship. And you see all your baby father him, when I come here with him drama. Now they pan them drama there, you know. I come here and I push badness. Actually, I don't want chucky badness pan him, you know. I tell you, you know, babe. I easy, you know. Because if you show me it's a real businessman, so I have to deal with my business. You understand? And show them the man they're local. You see me? My thing international.
Where's some baby father do? Look, where's it?
Yeah, same thing local and my thing international.
You sick? No, you listen to what you talk out your mouth say.
So you try to tell me, so no, yeah, disrespect me.
No, I'm not disrespect you, but just mind how you approach me baby father. We mind are on good terms, but I feel mind where you do mind certain things that come out your mouth.
So why you have to get so loud? Me I talk and you get loud.
Because me don't know why you use this thing you go on other day and I go on like say you want to style him.
No, what me I talk.
Yeah, me understand say he come here and he go on with the foolishness and the drama thing, which me do sorry about it. But you don't have to come and talk about my baby father local. Out of there, man. You see this house?
I always say truth hurt. I mean I talk it
truth can't hurt. You see the house here? You see the house here? It's nice though. The coach, you like it though? I'm a baby father by. So he have ambition.
So me not have any.
Me never say I have none. But you're gone too far now.
Alright, listen. As me say, I'm not really out there on the baby father drama business. So let's not talk about him. Let's talk about us. Because you see me now, I don't really like a fight and a cuss. You understand?
I'm not on the fight and the cussing neither. But it's that you need to talk about me and you need to talk about Bongo.
Yeah, that may I say. May if you talk, you need to talk about Bongo. Bongo is important.
So
well, enjoy breakfast, you know. Just feel like say, I just want to go. What a show an hour, maybe just watch something. We don't want to watch TV.
No, I appreciate me not to go to one shower. I kind of feel tired. to be honest.
I'm going to lie down and relax then. And if you want to take out
You're not hot. Why you doing all this and something and so you're not hot?
No, I'm not hot.
You like your hairstyle on me there?
Hold on. Sis. Wagon. No, I'm not there down a shop man at all. Yeah. Sis, right now I can't bother with FaceTime more while I always tell about them the style, you know, sis. Alright.
Why every time me they are so shaffy call?
You know nothing for you to be so aggressive for.
What?
I know nothing for you to be aggressive. And I like I want
When me and you me no business. When me and you start talk, right? You see nobody a call my phone.
Nobody not call the phone. And that me even wonder, because I wonder if you hide the call them from me, babe. Because by any idea, I remember say I do say 2 away, you know. And nobody not perfect, you know. You say you can't go and like say you're perfect, you know. Because every relationship you have the ups and downs. And in this, we are going to go through thick and thin. And I go still there for you. And I want you still there for me. You understand? I give you the key for my heart. I'm not talk about the bully beef key.
Yeah, me understand. So what she a beg no food?
She always beg me money and everything. You know a family, that's a family stay, but we're just going to go have a nice time and just talk about that, right?
Right.
Okay, easy. Don't love you no Anthony.
Alright, so what I'm saying is, you know, I am open to making this business possibility work. Because I think it's a good idea for both of us. Of course. But we don't need to discuss like the liabilities, all of those stuff. I'm willing to make it work, you know, sir. Believe me. Because I feel like this would really put we as a partnership on the next level. We say weekend. That means someone have to do back and forth then. Up and down. Oh, you have a place? Hotel? That not sound bad, but alright. You see, me is a man of principle, you know. I believe in a family, a household principles. Someone have to talk to wife about that. But I feel like she's good with the man, so you can arrange up it. We talk to her, make she know, because I really feel like this is the next step. Alright, have a good day, sir.
No. I'm coming to ask you, are you friend for your dirty food friend?
Who?
Rasta. Who me for the talk? How much friend you have?
Babes, to come morning just like 10 years there, say bongo foot them dirty. You don't have to do like that, babe.
Oh,
But I have to do like that, man. I don't like that.
you never like nothing when me say about bongo yet.
Because you never say nothing good about bongo yet. You never say he's an ambitious man or anything like that.
After bongo not ambitious.
Bongo build a house.
Duh.
That's ambitious.
Anybody can build a house.
Anybody can, but not everybody will.
Whatever.
What?
What you did the power phone?
A partnership. I saw news. Look like we'll go a hotel weekend, but everything not confirmed up yet. I said I discuss it with you, but to backtrack a little bit, yes, I did talk to Bongo. As far as I can see, Bongo they pass some type of meds where like the patient in my Bellevue, the sick people, the mad people that Bongo they on right now. Cause me a reason with him now and babes me hand them big, believe me. But you see Bongo out of my hands them right now. We cannot control him. Me don't know what my thing say. So I don't know what you tell us about Bongo.
But I don't understand what bongo really. You know what I'm saying? Really and truly, are you introduce bongo to my friend? Are you make my friend in all of them and me say, you know?
Me make a friend in all of them?
Of course, because if you never introduce Bongo tour. She do then this mess where she in right
But
now.
babes they can't pray, so if me never introduce Bongo to her, she won't have a son. And that you better you tell me thanks for make sure have a
Listen,
son. That's
me not regret Pinky having her son, but I should have Bongo it.
If you never have Bongo, it wouldn't be said person. It'll be a total different. And babes,
Yeah.
why every time you do this, every time you have Pinky reason, you get upset with Bongo and you try to make a leak in a full relationship. Me not like that, babes.
How me I
Shame
make
on you. Shame on you, babes. You should do better.
shame for me?
Yes, you make for them
How
negativity.
kind of thought that?
Yes, because me not feel good with all of this. You make for them negativity leaking. I feel thing and me have a good relationship.
How me I make a leak in a relationship, analyze.
Alright.
Yeah, listen, me not in it.
A while ago, you said I'm me cause all of this from Pinky. And that basically you
Then
say,
I lie.
how am me? I mean, make them go have other woman. Alright, just left us alone.
Left her alone. Oh, so you know about Bongo and the other woman them. You know say Bongo did have a for other woman. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Me this so long you start talk to you. No, babes, me.
Hold on. Remember say, and you come to me, you know, and say, Pinky, see pictures of Bongo I send to other woman. So if you must send them pictures, I must see other woman them how me if you know about this, and even if me know about it, and my business, if you go and tell Pinky say, just might remember say me not sure or know nothing, you know. Might be he man have an ex woman or multiple as you say. So babes, why you make me look like the villain and I'm try to be the hero in all of this? I saw you going, you know, as a man saying, you know, you either die the hero or you live long enough to be the villain, and it look like you want to turn me as a villain.
I see your procedure.
So
I see.
What do you mean I see?
Know yourself.
You don't worry. This not nothing to do with me.
Nobody can use my thing when me come tell us as excuse, you know. Cause you know.
How me feel
You know it one our friend. And my grandmother said bird of a feather flock together. But me not even know if you flock like I am.
So what do you mean by that? See my phone here. See my phone, they looking there. Yeah, right now,
If you just delete everything and then I can dash phone for me, you think me an idiot?
No, I feel like Bongo idiot and that thing you should do. Delete the things then.
Oh.
It would cause less drama and it would make you blame me and I try so me a cheat and all the inside pass it me. That you feel good boy, listen, and I tell you the truth. Right now, me get one good call this morning, say we could have got a hotel for weekend, and this just ruined my day. I tell you the truth, I feel that way.
I mean, make you feel that way?
No.
And your friend will make you feel that way, you think of me?
What do you mean you think of you?
Your friend with the dirty attitude and the nasty lifestyle.
That's Bongo,
that's why I can't like the man.
And in woman or ex-woman business, how that affect me and you? How that affect me and you?
Yeah, it affect me. Because Pinky I'm a friend.
Bongo I'm a friend too. What he do not affect me.
You know
I win in this relationship now.
I can't feel like so soon. Yeah, me know, so because I work and things. You say I'll come back later. Alright, babe. I soon call her back here.
I thought you make love to my phone.
But how you bloom through my door and not even knock?
Me, I only person for bloom through you, son.
Okay, what go on?
Me there. This morning, me talk to my boyfriend and me ask him say if he did talk to Bongo. The matter me say yes. And he talk to Bongo, what Bongo look like in them mad like people them were up on mad house or something like that.
Marika, me your friend, and I don't want to be rude. What you talk about Bongo for? Listen to me. My man just left here, you know. I'm gonna make him some nice breakfast. Dumpling. I'm gonna even go to the meat kind of talk. But anyways, I'm gonna make him a good breakfast this man before I leave. So why you come and start I come broke me mood now about bongo?
Sorry, I just did that tell her. What you tell me say?
Me I live my life now in America. Me happy now, you know.
Me
As
happy
you
for
can
you.
see.
Me
Me just a
glad.
glow so. Look at me here.
I see it. I saw it.
So don't come back here. Go and tell me no call back bongo name in your mouth.
Me not even know where I come from, cause your man just left from
You bright
here.
girl, no happen. Outside that. I'm going to tell me about bongo and broke my spirit.
Alright. So you can order some food. So me pass out there a while ago, you know, and a seafood on the menu. Seafood, so call and order seafood, girl.
You know, so I feel like I name bongo really want to go tell me about it. I did food I want. You look at belly, you know.
Hey, come now, call him and order.
Order what?
Seafood upon the menu out there and some cham suwa. Some Chinese something. I don't know what that's sitting there, but order.
What you want to eat?
Seafood and cham suwa.
So what is chamsu?
I don't know that I see upon the menu. I don't know, baby.
Alright, I'll call him back. No, I get him. Phone lock off.
Phone can't lock off. Ring again.
See there? Phone lock off.
Yeah, I'm ring him. No. Ring him again.
5 every minute, so I just don't talk to him.
Lock off your phone and turn on the back.
Like I wish when I tell you what I'm with your part of my place. Button and phone. Oh, you know my belly so.
Call him.
Me
Try
not
him
call him
again.
again. If you want food, go on London. Tell him say, I me say no.
No, you're crazy. When you can call and the food can deliver right at your doorstep. You must think me an idiot. You try number again, something wrong. Try the number.
Stay there so and wait.
Then no wait.
Stay there so and wait. Pan the food for deliver to you. Stay there so.
Alright, you know what? Let me try and pan my phone. Come on, if I style me, yeah, this the program. My bedroom from before, yeah, I'm there, everything. You know. I call him and see what I want. Do you know? Pinky. No ring the man phone, I ring. You feel say you're slick?
No, maybe when you there.
Take your phone, order food.
Babe. 1, 2 food. Yeah, I want seafood boiled. I want seafood boiled. I want curry goat. It's ching. Sorry, babe, sorry. No, me don't know it. Me don't know it name my son. Yeah, want them know. Alright.
Give me my phone.
Give me my phone. Food about ching.
Give me my phone. Yeah, don't touch me because when you do a
Girl,
while ago, I don't like that. No, you're corrupt. You're too corrupt, man. Are you one for your food out of a restaurant?
But me not get fat all now, so I'll make me can't get fat.
That make me fat. I'm hungry, I'm coming here.
When me there call him, he look like saying service cheap out.
Come here, idiot for you. You can't fool me, cause me calling me just start ring. Anyway, you not follow me, go to me here.
Box cover, my friend. Are you today for the year?
Next year.
You know, so me remember me grab my bag and come.
Hurry up. Hello? Bongo ring in your phone. I wonder what I wanna say. Pinky?
Where you say?
Bongo is calling you.
Girl, Bongo is still news.
Backside.
Make him ring till him can't ring it no more.
Alright, let me dance to the ringtone. Just keep swimming. Backside. Come on, you ready?
Wait there, the dance to the ringtone?
Yeah.
You must say you're mad. And to them, I convince you you're really mad for true. Go through the door.
Master God.
My man left one and I sip as them. I saw you, no girl. I like the one here. See bongo shoes the same way.
Bongo shoes to dash way. Go bunny on the back.
I've been so sad for so long.
So girl, I
By now I should be
supermarket.
so distracted for so long.
Yeah, John, so like a fake car. A fake car? I must have to make car.
You know say enough is stay, sir?
But
Mama, come out to your car. Come drive the car, sir. Me I go buy one juice. Come on, know where you go and suffer.
I told me give you one little length. I want to take you all like girl. I told me give you one little length. I want to take you all like. Or I go buy juice and come back. Watch out. So girl, take so long to come.
I see you. I know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say
How you drive, sir? Where we are going?
Bongo, where you come here, so
When you
far?
see me come here, sir, I see you in my van and you enjoy the van like say all is well. Like what?
Ufa van.
Who are you drive come here?
Ufa van.
Who are you, are the big belly boy and you drive come here?
Yes, awa.
You laugh, you think of fun and game this? You feel say fun and game, you talk back to me now?
Hey, we lick in your face.
Lick on out your face. What you talk about, You forget who me be?
Bongo, move.
Let me
Bongo,
say
move
bongo
now.
move. Yo, tell me
Move,
what you do.
Bongo, move.
Tell me what I want.
Let
Tell
go
me what I want. Let me say
hand
look at your
move.
hands. So make you push your hand through windows like that. Who want you drive? Come here, sir.
That no concern you. What your problem?
Let me say that don't concern me.
Bongo, what your problem?
So, you mean to tell me say everything still want to come back on my yard?
Come back and which yard?
Me have some stuff to pick up on my yard. On my yard, me I come a while ago and I realized I said, yes, supermarket. I have some stuff to pick up. I can go pick up my things them. Me have some things I'm moving right now.
Me can pack them up.
Pack up what? Pack
And
up your...
put
Me
it
don't want you
out of the
touch... No,
gate.
me don't want you touch my things them. Me don't want you touch my
What you
things.
mean by you don't want me
Me don't
touch
want
your
you
things
touch
them?
my things. Yo, me don't want you touch my things them.
Mind where you do, you know. Mind how you come close to me.
Let
You would like
come
it.
close. Yo, where you do? Mr. Who you come here, sir? When me can get me things then? Yo, where you look for?
You ramp with me.
Where you look for?
Move.
You mean some move?
Move.
Who are you come here, so me ask you?
Move.
Are you and she? Come here, come here. Me move from inside, me know. Me a friend. Me know you. Last thing you come, me a talk to you, man, come on, things like that. Yo, am I in a relationship or me
I
and
don't
she?
want to talk to him. I don't like
So me
him.
care there, so.
I don't like you, Bongo. If you come for your things, them come for them. I don't like you. I don't want good relationship with my man now, you know. Who is you to come right as I come talk to me?
It's the same big belly man there.
Hey.
Alright, that you say? So you say me, alright. When me can see me pit? What that girl is telling me, yo, we are there, so we
The
are there,
baby
so.
there and grandmother.
When, from how long now?
1 week now.
1 week now? So that means you enjoy yourself, man. You live life. You see people like you, give me week.
Bad man, where you do, sir?
No, you're gonna come to
No, where you do my business, please?
Yeah, you hear me I say to you? I'm not come to what you expect, sir. I come to talk to you and apologize.
Talk to me about what?
Hey, me apologize.
Talk to your baby mother.
No, I'm not
apologize.
No,
Don't
listen me,
talk
I
to me.
man. You hear me I say? I don't talk to she already. And I apologize to she already. Someone apologize to you.
I don't want to keep it.
Brother, we are big man, you know. We can't flex that way there. You answer me I say? And if you understand, say, if you're going to be a part of your life, that means me have to reason with up on a level. Because you're going to be.
You have a point. I'm here, officer. All I see, I'm here, officer.
You know something nice, son. You know what other man of money?
You say I go on now.
So you may say no, see, realize say me can't get her back and all them something, but me I wonder if like how long now you and she talk now?
Well, it's been a good while, you know.
It's a good while, what do you mean?
I think it's like around 2 months now, or 1.5 if I'm not lying.
2 months?
Yeah.
So reason being that me I tell you is like you're gonna be now my son's
stepdaddy.
Yeah, that's something there. And things, so really and truly, you just don't want to have the animosity. Because I realize that she rated the way how, you know, to make it dead and thing.
Alright, you tell you true boss man. And your baby mother, you know. You understand? And I not really depend the Babyfather drama business. You understand? So you mess up and me fall in a fear like so as I say, I'm not really business within a business. You understand? Hold on there. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Howell's Restaurant. Alright. Yeah man, I can pick it up in a few. Alright.
So you say that you are in a business?
Huh?
You not say like you are in a business with what?
No, I say I'm in a business with food and drama. You understand? So you not left and me take over, so I'm not really business tonight. You understand?
So tell me something now. You know, I want to know for a relationship because I try to get her back, but I try to know if I try. But
I don't think that's gonna be a good something for you to do, you know.
So you start sleep over here now?
Well, yeah, I do that couple times well.
You sleep up for me yard?
Yeah.
For my baby mother yard?
Up for your baby mother yard.
So it's like you cannot feel kind of uncomfortable, like you're show up, like you're hype.
Nah, hype on you, I just say.
Like you say, you sleep on the woman yard and you do this Cynthia and make you feel like say boy, what you do?
You know, as I tell you mess up and me just say, I mean take over. Me not you know.
When we say you really think you take over? Hey boy, you think you take over? You think you take over? You think you take over? Pop off on that boy. Yo, let me some here though. Let me some here though. What lucky you know?
Yo, go on bro, go on my own. Then I'm my own business place to come cause excitement.
Yo, if you say done yourself. If you say done yourself.
Yo, that's like you left my place. Here.
Left your place.
Everything.
Eh? Hey, see you?
Everything.
Yeah, come style me, but you sleep on me yard.
You're lucky I'm a business place.
You're a business place?
You're lucky I'm a business
yo,
place.
Me lucky? Are you lucky? Are you lucky?
You win today, man. You win today. Here. So I'm a business place.
What young man have father?
General, actually, tell you the truth. I don't know you from Norway still, but you look like somebody I can read. So, alright. Me and the man, baby mother, start for date. You understand? Pinky. Her name Pinky. You understand? And first thing the man father had on that time, I see me and start create one bag of excitement, draw mash it and one bag of something. You see me? So basically now, me there today, you know, and he forward. When he just a forward, me that be aggressive because I tell him say, yo, me don't want the drama on my place. He tell me saying forward for talk. You understand? Me sit down and I listen what him say, I ask me a few questions, me I reply. Then all of a sudden the man just start push badness. You understand?
Badness.
Reason why me never even to fight but because I'm a business place. And me can't afford to lose customer and them the stuff there. You understand? It's a businessman and them the man they think local and my think international. Can't make people on the road a pass and I say fighting and go on yourself. They not gonna really want to stop yourself. So me have to be a man. You understand? So he win today. You understand? He take the strike there. And as first he come in, so you know say a chicken trick me. Come man forward and tell me say I apologize, I can't apologize. But you know him.
Yeah, me kinda know something about him, but I'm telling you now, the man they are real bad man, you know. Real bad man like what him Jaman say. Real bad man. Hold on no father. I so come to him trick you know. Cause him come and tell us I apologize and I said I plan for you set you up, but
Everybody bad nowadays.
No, I know that. And that's why me don't try to calm the situation. Cause you have a nice piece of place right outside. I'm not telling you, I carry my woman. You can't make you fight him go on. So me don't calm him down. But me don't know if you know you know, but I feel him house, you know. So might be he come in the house, you could all wear an underpants or something like that. Me don't know. But my that dog see and get heated.
But it good still, I understand it good still. I go on my woman about it, because I'm not on the Babyfather.
No man, I have to cut out that man. I really have to cut out that.
General respect for you, because I have some little business to take care of. You understand?
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. So remember, you know, you can carry a woman come here and have a great time here.
Yeah, man.
I deal with some business in the kitchen, so.
Alright. Now go and sit down and look on that burger.
Can't believe it. Are we over there to laugh? Hey. Marika, laugh for me.
No, something I remember when me and my
Marika, you really style me, you know. You see the man come and grab off the wig off of me head. Stop laughing, man. Me not laugh, brother. This serious, and me not laugh.
No. Alright, big and serious now. You really not follow me go do me here? And I'm my fault, make your man drag off a wig, you know?
So woman we didn't pitney over there, so can't even take your pitney nice in my head to you know. Girl, me can't believe Dirty Bongo. Anywhere me see me, I lick him in my face. I want a piece of embarrassment that enough one man come and grab off wig off your head and say, give me back the wig on me by you.
But you know where you had police thing in a dash back a wig pie and you know? The man gone with the wig. What this no? But tell if him man and you man wig pie.
Anyhow, Bongo come back at me yard and boy ma come for clothes. I go see how me deal with him. You are going to see how me deal with Dirty Bongo. You think he done it, you know? Police have to go come for me today.
No, really big and serious. You don't talk about that. That's a simple 1, 2, 3 if you buy back Pinky. But me here one do. You really know can me go up and
listen to me. When you go do back here?
I not even know. I have to go set one different appointment.
Me follow you them the time there. You see how me all get mad too. I don't want to back in my car no. No go back in my Jeep.
I'm tell you something.
Because you bring sadness for me, brother.
I'm tell you something. You have a nasty habit. You see people who look out for you and respect you. You always try to run them from around you. But you see you, alright.
Girl, if I never you stop to go buy drinks at supermarket, the man would come catch me there so. But through your drinks belly, I want to tell you, a place where you go to go there, you not sell drinks. They not sell drinks in there, they have one little fridge.
You go take a look at time for reach there, and me thirsty. Me not dead for thirst. And how me if you know, how me know say Bongo did I go depending where you come did there so. How me know that? Girl, stop going like say it's my fault.
I feel your fault.
I don't blame nothing upon me. Blame it upon you and your baby father. One big drama in our community to want to have.
Yeah, because people have to me there with madman. And he had a go. Which are really madman for true. I you know say any day me find out say he have one girl. Me I got torment back in life. You not believe? What me say?
That's a fair business. That is not my
me
business.
I got torment back in life. And that girl any we going by that girl me I drag you off back. And you see, hey, me buy him some shirt, you know. And I want him wear one of them and come up in my house with it. And he see how me deal with him. Tear ya 5. Never see no bun me so girl. Look on my head. Eh? People all pass and I look. How you do?
No, I fly out here, come up and so me have to find a way. When I done just come and fly in my
Out of me here affair, which one I want wash? For your head. For
your
your head.
man pull off a wig. You see a wig come out fast, because you want wash.
And I wash it, you want wash?
Yeah, sweating there.
My new man did not do it again. Even though I have my money. What you talk about?
Look at you. Tell him thanks for the food. That's the only highlight of the day. Guess so. I go over to my man.
Oh, say your belly full.
Yeah. My belly full.
I can watch my business and laugh.
Listen to me. I know my fault. What happened today, you know? And your fault. I should have controlled yourself.
Bongo, dirty bongo. Watch me are you? Watch me are dirty.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep.
Why you come in a go and stuff?
Listen me. The last time me I go warn about your baby father, you know. You know say man come down to my business place just not too long and disgrace me down there.
Who you talk to so?
And you may talk to be.
Who you talking to like that?
Me just get so upset because me don't have my business place. Right? And me I deal with some business. Me see man come up. So me I say, yo, boy you come here suffer. Me no dep on the jaw mine. The man say, yo, two of we a big man and I just reason things. Me did it for a while I think about it and I say, man, my reason. You understand? Then he did it. And we are reason. Man ask me a few questions like him a police.
Yeah, I understand what you say. I'm sorry about that.
Let me get to the point. You know,
but me know where you get to the point yet.
The man grab me up and start war me. I want tall bridge and I come and part with.
Me know film style.
And because I don't have my business place, I don't want it bad for business, I not do him nothing. But in I'm done ya so.
This is the second time I say nah, are you doing nothing now?
No, this time is serious. Play time done.
Oh, say they play first time. And the second time I play same way.
Come on my business place, come disgrace me. My own business.
And I alone in disgrace. Look for my head.
You talk about something on me.
Look for my head. The man grab off your wig off me and run away with it.
That not important. No, tomorrow me don't give money for deal with
what
that.
You mean by that not important?
Because it could...
What you talk about? What you mean by that not important?
Because tomorrow you go do it, so the wig they go come off anyways. And that me I try to
so,
say.
Yeah. So where you come about now?
Me come about to tell us if you want a baby father. Because you pick up film today. You understand? And see them now when come disrespect me. And me feel so embarrassed about that.
Yeah, you feel so embarrassed about that. So where you come right as if you do now? Come cuss me? I come to cuss me?
You know, say I your son, father. I'm going to take this to a different level.
Take it to a different level. No, take it back out for me.
Why you be so? Why we can't just try to fix things? Me in our relationship, and me and him in a so why am I come and always try to in an argument with me? Me and him not there, me and you there. So tell him to avoid me.
If me tell him man say, to leave you alone and leave me alone and he still a come to you. And he still a perplex my life too. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
You know me feel about it? Me know
how you feel, oh God. Me see it.
Even my work of them get so scared. Huh? Even my work of them get so scared. You don't respect my business.
Same beat you up.
I sit down and me and him attack and he grab me up. Of course he beat me. Yeah, take this thing to joke, you know. I'm not laughing thing, you know.
And you have so much mouth. Eh? The last time my son bicycle you take up, or you go bust in your head with it. And you know bust in your head.
You tell me if you not do it.
Me tell us if you put on your bicycle, but you should listen to me, you should have bust in your head. And now he come down there and beat you up and you feel so hurt about it. So you come to me, you know, if you take out the stress for me. Go
Somebody
ask
ever
again.
catch a red and did it? You ever do something and somebody just catch a red and did it? I
No.
saw him catch me.
You hear your son? Boy man catch a red-handed. You sound like some big girl.
Oh, so this is this me now. You see all my food when my car come for you and your friend. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me back my money.
I money or food I want back. Which one of them?
More about my money.
Alright, seafood yeah. Left me place. No! Left me place!
So where this for? So that means say, and if your baby father a problem, are you a problem?
Left me place. You see
Everything
what's how me head not right in the evening now. Left me place.
You really box me.
Nonsense. I'm
Show
will
you
box
a
you
woman.
again.
Everything good. I show you a woman and me not do woman. Everything good.
And me will box you again. Left me place. We done. We left.
So this is gone to now.
We done. We left. Move. Cause for me go tell me about home if you give back your food and the money. Me no want no man like you. Left me
It's
house.
okay.
Go on.
No man now go want you, no. No man now go want you. Just stay with your job.
I lie tell but no man now go want me. Lie tell. Outada.
Sorry, so me pick up your little crab.
You're 6 stomach. Me sorry pick up your shorty and tally. Nonsense. Rubbish. Let me call Marika. Girl, you wouldn't even to know what just take place, girl. The man come here and say want make him money, want make him food when give it. Jeez, hey, girl, one piece of crosses that follow me. I want to man tell me something I crosses. Me feel it to my heart, soul, ribs, everything. You know what? Just do right. And then later I call her back. She's working on me. It told me my name gone.
Babes, can I go sleep in our room? Come on. Can I go sleep in our room?
I'm not hungry in our room.
Boy, you sleep with yourself. You see your neck all hurt you or something. I'm telling you, you sleep any time of day.
Tired.
What tired?
I wonder if I think it's going today.
Tell me all about your day, because I have one crazy day. No? Believe me.
You know, so I go over Pinky after me done talk today. I'm tell her if you follow me, go do me here. You know, so I tap at the supermarket, come to the driver van.
Yeah.
You know, say, our Babyfather, I'm not even remember her name. I remember her name, you know. A Babyfather come to the create one scene. And I know some man pull off Pinky wig and find it gone with him.
Allah ya tell. So make him do that.
He say I want back in wig because Pinky must have tell him, sir, man. Something suppose some man sleep up on yard or whatsoever.
No, man. Bongo not fit do that in a public. Better than try giving nobody now look if you want it back, if that be the case. But that Pinky I could have shame in himself. God no. I know I see Bongo today.
Where's the Bongo?
I just did have a bad feeling and I walk past, he died in there so. I see Bongo, I have man in a headlock like in there WWE. Me have to run and broke up a fight, me I wonder what happened. Just before I know say, I the man where take where Bongo woman. Bongo a beat up. Cause Bongo they are winning now. You know, Bongo take them style from her. Bongo they are winning. Believe and a laughing matter. Believe me. Me have to be a running two man them sitting and I broke up a fight. thank God me all day, because Miss one night time look like Bongo the I'll take up one chair and lick him in the face.
Jesus.
And he look like he can fight neither.
God.
I'm the reason with him, because after me run with Bongo and terms to go on and yard and something. You know, we ain't go for that, but me and try to use me I get to find out say he name Puppy Dan and him on the place and him sitting there. So he look like Bongo the pan look a rampage. No, he won't go next now. You know, he can't come over here with him foolish.
Come over here.
That me I tell him he can't come over here with him foolish because I want him. Bongo the pan some different type of mess babes. I don't know why I'm free, but all I know is Pinky better be careful.
Yeah, because Bongo going hard. I can't believe say man pull off a girl week. And then pull off a need too, you know?
People say,
what?
No, boy, she must shame in herself.
But say, you know what, say Pinky drive off from the supermarket.
No, you have to drive off.
Bongo get from bad to worse now. Bongo needs to go down.
But babe, you don't tell her I could have worse, you know. Bongo could have taken the car and the week and make him have to walk. And boss have him car too. So, me not say we Bongo do right, you know, don't get me wrong. But I say you have to look on the bright side of things.
Look on which bright side. There's no bright side to this.
There's
enough to take nothing at all. Because first and foremost, she have a child feeling.
Yes, I know that. I agree with you, babes. I 100% agree with you. But all I say is, look on the bright side. It could have been worse.
There's no bright side to the story.
There has to be a bright side. Just like how they have to go on bad side, I have to go on bright side.
The bright side is Bongo gone with Pinky week. That is the bright side.
That I know, bright side.
And it altered that. Because I can't believe so you can buy one woman and take it back.
No, I'm telling you. I don't really like you want, you know. But you see right now, Bongo in one place when I'm still. Because from me I get find out, man asleep in a underpants, in a house, asleep in a bed.
In a underpants?
No, I'm a mistake. But
come on, say I feel like that,
yes,
come on, I think Puppy Dan go to that.
I don't know if he do it, but I didn't mess with the Bongo pray because if he must sleep in a bed, when him build, when him buy a house, when him build, I drive in a car. Come here say, he man must be driving in a car to me.
A lie.
I don't know how true it behaves. I don't know nothing. And I know it's Bongo very upset right now. And that's why I'm all short.
So why am I upset for? Bongo have woman, other woman out there. That is nothing upset over.
Sweetheart, sometimes I know what you have, you know, and what you lose, mother. Because if I have $1 million and I lose $2 million, I don't feel away.
Listen, I just wake me out of my sleep. You can't tell me about Bongo this and Bongo that.
You know, say you start to can't tell. Babes, come here in my house. Because you look like you're still in your sleep. I'm going to say that's why you're big, son. Come on.
No, I'm going to go on.
You know, I left you out here, so.
No, I'm going to lie down and sit here and sleep. Go on. Thank you, Jesus, I did me build this here. No man can come. Later.
Aye. Bongo good at build for him set too.
Yes, sir? Babe?
Yes, sweetheart.
Where did you say a while ago?
When I hear?
Where you say a while ago when you go in our room?
No, I say I want to set tea like this too.
Oh, down in your yard?
Yeah.
Good.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes and you I see I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my
Oh, so they not no name.
Hello, I come for things them.
Yeah. I know how you.
Are you one there? I ask you a question.
And me one day here.
Somebody can answer my question, I ask you a question. You make it sound like someone I talk to.
Bongo, you see right now me down there in a good mood, you know.
When me say in a good
Me
mood.
down there in a good mood. My man gone. You gone now. So, right now.
What mean your man gone? So you gone for true? Eh?
Let me go. Let me go, man.
So what you want? You want me comfort here? You're thumping on my belly. You're thumping on my belly. Why you do that? What you want? What you want? Alright, you want to work things back out?
Work back what out? When me week there?
Let me say we. Hold on, fight. You come to fight me. We don't come to fight you, know. East the man, come.
When me week there? When me week there?
Me say me fling water for you. Stop the man. When me say where you with them, we dash with a week a long time. We want all change. Okay? If we come off your head so easy. Relax, man. Calm down. What me I say to you is that?
Just can't take the life no more. And I'm just stressed out.
So we are. So we are get back together then. Can we work it out, man? Pinky,
what you say?
Make you work.
Get back together. You're sick.
What me say me sick?
I know say I know me a problem, I have a problem. You're sick.
So how your man left you?
So
in a space of 1 month.
You can create excitement for me, right? And then you go for a man workplace.
Go do what? I man attack me. You need to know. You see, you don't trust me.
No, dirty bongo. Let me tell you something.
You believe in what me not true?
The man not attack you.
The man attack me.
And you always attack people first.
Me, you sure about that?
That's a lie.
You all that judgment in the wrong book. Yo, alright, here I go. You say, for today, I eat that. Only thing I do, I take care of my youth. Because I realize that, there with you no more. You know your grandmother.
Thank
so
you.
I'm going to your grandmother for him and leave you.
Go on here, yard. Come out. Go on out now.
The things that I say, don't touch me. Don't be physical. The things that I say, pack up. You pack them up.
When you jog off me here, you never know what's your physical.
The things they want to pack.
Go for your things them. Go on for them. Then they run that so. Go on for them. Hurry up. Hurry up now.
I go for them. I'll leave you alone.
Dirty crosses, man. Come back in a go ramp with me, you see. Bust up your face. You're bad mind, not woman. You're bad mind. Get lost, come out, hurry up.
Yes, you see your turn, neighborhood donkey. You see that?
A neighborhood donkey,
neighborhood donkey.
Come out of my house.
Yo, don't touch me.
Come out of my house, go on.
Imagine me build my place, you have to come out of my house.
Come out of my house.
Me build my place, you have to come out of my house. I soon get a higher home.
Come out of my house. Why? Crosses. Walk on my phone.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Somebody just get you red and so you catch. You catch me when I never expect it.
Make you want to say not to me, shut your mouth box and run out of your.
But you know all that, but I'm going to teach you to listen to the
I mean, Mom, baby, good on. I'm very sorry. Alright, continue. Mom, baby, good on.
My job, you understand? So you and our live and meet people when I really meet them today. You understand?
So, tell me something. More no far relationship because I try to get her back and I try to try. But
I don't think that's going to be a good thing.
But you start thinking about it.
Well, yeah, I do that a couple times well.
You see what I think about me here?
Yeah.
Who is the man here?
The Babyfather.
Yes, I got to say, like, you really like what you have to do. You have to like you show up.
So I remember that you father my business place.
You feel kind of uncomfortable. You really want,
Yo! Yeah, call him baby father. Yo, wait there. Wait there. Alright.
Action. Yo, if he said done something, let me something. Let the place. Eh? If they see you, yeah, I'm style them, but you speak of it. Yeah, yeah, business place. Yo, me lucky. Are you lucky? Are you lucky?
You win to them, man. You win to the air. So the business place.
Can't pass this. You can't do this. Alright. So keep this one sheet. What's mine, sir? Take care of the record.
Yeah, man.
Record. Alright, ready? Ready? And action! So, what we are going? Eh?
Bongo, where you come here so
When you
far?
see me come here so far, I see I'm a van and I enjoy the van like say all is well. Like what?
Who for van?
Who want you drive come here?
Who for van?
Who want you, are the big belly boy and you drive come here? Eh?
Yes, I want.
You laugh, you think I'm fun and game this? Eh? You feel so fun and game, you talk back to me now?
Hey, licking your face.
Lick out your face. We are talking about, eh? You forget that we be?
Bongo, move.
Let me say
Bongo,
Bongo
move.
move. Yo, tell me what you did.
Bongo, move.
Tell me what. Let me say the answers. So I can't push you and treat me like that. Who want you drive come here, sir?
That no concern you. What your problem?
You say that concern me.
Bongo, what your problem?
So, you mean to tell me everything is still? I have some stuff. Me had not come a while ago and when I said yes, supermarket, I have some stuff to pick up. Can I pick up the things there? You have some things on the room, right?
We can't cut them up.
Pack up.
I'll
Me
put
don't
it
want you
over
to touch.
the
No,
gate.
me don't want you to touch me.
When me buy them,
Me don't want you to touch me. Yo, me don't want you to touch me things there.
mind where you're not in. Mind how you come close to me.
You
They
say
would
when I
like.
come close. Yo, we are do? So who you come here, sir? When me can get me things there? Yo, we are look for? Where you look for? What do you mean some move?
Move.
Who are you come here, so me ask you?
Move. Bongo, I want to hear you.
Are you she? Me can come here and move from the 7 on. Me a friend. Me know you. Eh? Last year come, me a talk to you, man, come on, things like that. Yo, I'm in a relationship with me and she.
No one talk to you. I don't like
So me
you.
tell you so.
I don't like you, Bongo. If you come here, things and come to them. I don't like you. Me don't want good relationship with my man now. You know. It's you. Come right up and come talk to me.
The same big belly man. Like I said. So you said me, alright. When we can see me. Yo. Yes, time, brother. Yeah. We are there, so we are
Baby
there.
and grandmother.
Wait. From how long now?
1 week now.
1 week now? That means you enjoy yourself, man. Eh? You live life. You see people like you, my boy.
Yo!
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes and you are close my eyes and wish you'll come running back. It's in my mind when I open my eyes and you I see, yeah, I see you. Oh, yeah. I know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you, I just hope you will accept. I think God created you for me.